Welcome back to the Rolling Robot series. If you just joined our series, we are creating this rolling robot chassis. Up next in this episode, we are going to create our corner uprights using Weldments. These uprights will be critical for joining the lower and upper frame and our mounting plate. I'll show you how to link part dimensions using relationships. Click the link below to download the necessary files to follow along with the tutorials. To create the mounting uprights, click the drop-down under Insert Component and select New Part. Next, click the front face of the motor mounting plate. This places me in an active sketch in my new part. First, I use offset entities to create a gap between the uprights and the transmission housing. I want a 1 mm offset. Now I just need to define my upright length. Snap the endpoints of the uprights to the top and bottom of the plate. Exit the sketch. Click Structural Member from the Weldments tab. Select the weldment profile, create a new group, and select only one upright sketch. Then locate the profile so the weldment sits flush against the motor plate. Create a second group and select the other sketch line. Locate the profile so it's flush to the mounting bracket. Click OK. Exit the part. Rename the weldment and save the weldment in an external file. Now I want to cap the top of the assembly. I will do this by first adding a reference plane that will serve as a mirror plane. Create a reference plane between the top face of the corner gusset and the top face of the motor housing. This creates a midplane between the two faces. Rename it Mirror Plane. With the plane selected, click the drop-down under Linear Component Pattern and select Mirror Component. Select the corner gusset as the component to mirror. Click Next and we can see a preview of the mirror. It looks good, so click OK. Parts that are designed in an assembly get the benefit of sharing geometric properties. Our upright height was completely defined by the plate height. If the plate height ever changes, our upright height will follow. Join me next time as we wrap up our motor corner by adding a sheet metal fender. Thanks for tuning into the series Rolling Robots. I'll see you in the next episode.